All right, I wanted to show you guys Magpul EDC25 backpack. This I think was $99. This reminds me of a high-end, super durable, almost like a Yeti product for 99 bucks. And I guess the price is gonna go up. So if you're gonna get one of the new EDC backpacks, now's the time to do it. But I wanted to show this to you. I haven't seen a lot about these yet. Magpul EDC backpack, designed for concealed carry. This material, I mean, you can see like all of these zippers are awesome, fantastic zipper pulls, waterproof. This is different than like a Yeti backpack, but this is like a really tough, strong, flexible, but less flexible than a normal backpack. Awesome feeling. 21 by 7 by 14 inches. This is the biggest one. Custom weather resistant, TPU coated fabric. There you go for durability. 25 liters of volume. Hidden AirTag pocket to track. I'll show you that when I find it. Weather resistant. AquaGuard zippers, everyday carried. I mean, this thing is sweet. You've got some hooks for, I suppose, whatever you wanted here. And this is something kind of neat about the bag itself, is there's just hooks everywhere. Or just, I mean, you can, there's so many different ways you can use this. So right off the bat, this is pretty cool. Actually, when I grabbed it to bring it out here, I just saw this handle that you almost don't even see that it's there. It's not really like, it doesn't stand out, but that's awesome if you just want to grab it. There's also a handle on top, kind of your typical backpack handle. And then there's one on the other side as well. These straps also, there's a couple just, I mean, you could throw a carabiner on there. These I thought were pretty cool. It's got that fabric there, so you could totally put a water bottle in there. That's on both sides. We've got this little zipper pocket. There's some Velcro in there, and that goes all the way across. I don't know if you can see it, but there's Velcro on the inside, if you want to call that, and on the outside as well. So you could put a holster in there, swing that around to the side, and quickly grab a concealed firearm. That pocket all the way around to this side. You can really tuck those zippers up right in there. Nice adjustable backpack straps. Those don't look like they come off or tuck in. That's all right. You've got the chest clicker. These never work great for me just because of how I'm built. I'm a bigger guy and then I'm fat. And these are always just kind of too high in the chest. One thing that's kind of cool that Magpul thought of is you can actually get rid of those, or you can adjust them up higher or all the way lower. Really well thought out. D-ring, great straps, and then some padding. The straps do have some nice padding in them. These are nice and thick. Some softer material here that's going to be kind of towards your neck. This is something you can put over your luggage handle when you're at the airport or whatever. I actually wasn't sure if that came on the backpack. I hadn't noticed. There is another little zipper slot here, and that goes in. There's a ton of Velcro on both sides, and that is all the Velcro so far has been loop for your hook and loop, so the soft side of the Velcro. And so you could throw a holster in there, you could throw extra mags in there, whatever you want, and those kind of tuck away. And then also these little zipper pulls too, you can really tuck those in. This compartment opens up. You've got a hook, a little carabiner built in there. Otherwise, that is just a nice big open slot. And I'm going to try to get this on camera, but here is your hidden AirTag pocket. Not a lot to see online when you're looking at these bags to order them as far as kind of the compartments, but you can see here this front flap, it opens nicely and it comes down to this seam here. Big pocket that opens up more than it looks like it would. And then within that, you have some of your just organization. There's a zip pocket, some pin holders, and then a mesh pocket here that's got another nice zipper on it. So you could throw your dirty underwear or mags or really whatever you wanted in there. Magpul, unfair advantage. One thing, and I'll see if I can show this, is this does have some Velcro, and there's a backward zipper here. Not sure what's going on with that. There's just a foam padding insert within here, but I'm not sure what's up with the backward zipper, if that was on purpose or what. I tried to unzip this. I got it about this far and said, screw it. I don't know how much I can get it back. You could put armor in there, but kind of a pain in the booty. Nice big pocket. I would probably store a laptop or something there. This is, like I said before, a nice deep pocket. That insert is more than just foam. That's actually pretty rigid, so that's nice. Pocket on the front here, just an open main pocket, nice zipper, and then some. These I think would have maybe been nice for a zipper, but you could throw a mag or something in there, especially for quick grabbing it. That's all the pockets in this backpack. I would say for 99 bucks that it's on sale for at the time of this video. This is a fantastic backpack. FD, so it's kind of like closer to tan. So these are like a coyote tan. So you can see how it meshes up there. For an EDC slash just a gear bag, this thing is awesome. EDC25. There is a link on this video. Get them while they're super cheap. That's the Magpul EDC25.